Good morning, students. Question 4, exercise 1.1, class 7th. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above sea level and submarine is floating 1200 meters below the sea level. If the distance is above, then positive sign will be taken, and if distance is below the sea level, then negative sign will be taken. Now plane is flying at the height is equal to 5,000 meters. Depth of submarine equals minus 1200 meters. Minus sign is taken because it is below the sea level. Therefore, the vertical distance between plane and submarine is equal to, we will take the difference of both of these two distances. 5,000 meters minus of minus 1200 meters equals 5,000 meters minus minus plus, because the product of two negative integers will be positive, plus 1200. 5,000 meters plus 1200 meters is equal to 6200 meters. Now question 5. Withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer. Therefore, deposit of amount to the account is represented by a positive integer. From the question, total amount deposited in bank account by Mohan is equal to rupees 2000. Total amount withdrawn from the bank account by Mohan is equal to minus rupees 1642, because withdrawn amount is represented by negative integer. Balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal is equal to amount deposited plus amount withdrawn equals rupees 2000 plus of minus rupees 1642 equals rupees 2000 plus minus minus, because product of one positive and one negative integer is negative integer. Therefore, rupees 2000 minus rupees 1642 equals rupees 358. Hence, the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal is rupees 358. Answer is equal to 358 rupees. Question 6. From the question, it is given that a positive integer represents the distance towards the east. Then distance travelled towards the west will be represented by a negative integer. Rita travels a distance in east direction, that is equal to 20 kilometers. Rita travels a distance in west direction is equal to minus 30 kilometers, because distance towards east is represented by positive integer and distance towards west is represented by negative integer. Therefore, distance travelled from A is equal to 20 plus of minus 30. We will add both of these two equals 20 plus minus minus, because the product of one positive and one negative integer will be negative, equals 20 minus 30 equals minus 10 kilometers. When one positive and one negative integers are added, we take their difference and place the sign of bigger integer, and bigger integer is decided by ignoring the sign of both the integers. So, minus 10 kilometers. Hence, we will represent the distance travelled by Rita from point A by a negative integer, that is minus 10 kilometers.